Language Foundations Vocabulary Flashcards, helping you achieve understanding.
The act of making something clean. He gave his shoes a good cleaning. Acting like an antiseptic. The act of making something clean. Cleansing the body by washing, especially ritual washing of e.g. hands. The act of making something clean. Baseball. The fourth position in the batting order, usually filled by the best batter on the team. A very large profit. A change for the better, progress in development. A condition superior to an earlier condition. The new school represents a great improvement. The act of improving something. Their improvements increased the value of the property. The act of removing hair, as from an animal skin. The condition of being void of hair. The activity of getting rid of vermin. The act of cleaning fabrics with a solvent other than water. The act of removing hair, as from an animal skin. Loss of hair, the result of removing hair. Figurative, the act of reforming by the removal of unwanted personnel or practices or conditions. More housecleaning is in store at other accounting firms. The act of cleaning the rooms and furnishings of a house. Efficient housecleaning should proceed one room at a time. An act of removing by cleansing, ridding of sediment or other undesired elements. The act of clearing yourself, or another, from some stigma or charge. Rinse, clean, or empty with a liquid. Purge the old gas tank. Eject the contents of the stomach through the mouth. He purged continuously. Make pure or free from sin or guilt. An abrupt or sudden removal of a person or group from an organization or place. He died in a purge by Stalin. Clear of a charge. Excrete or evacuate someone's bowels or body. The doctor decided that the patient must be purged. Oust politically. Deng Xiaoping was purged several times throughout his lifetime. Rid of impurities. Purge the water. An act of removing by cleansing, ridding of sediment or other undesired elements. Serving to purge or rid of sin. The act of clearing yourself, or another, from some stigma or charge. The process of removing impurities, as from oil or metals or sugar, etc. A ceremonial cleansing from defilement or uncleanness by the performance of appropriate rites. The act of cleaning by getting rid of impurities. The act of purging of sin or guilt, moral or spiritual cleansing. Purification through repentance. Making something sanitary, free of germs, as by sterilizing. The state of being clean and conducive to health. Making something sanitary, free of germs, as by sterilizing. Making something sanitary, free of germs, as by sterilizing. The act of cleaning a surface by rubbing it with a brush and soap and water. Moving over territory to search for something. Scouring the entire area revealed nothing. Dense vegetation consisting of stunted trees or bushes. Wash thoroughly. Surgeons must scrub prior to an operation. The act of cleaning a surface by rubbing it with a brush and soap and water. postpone indefinitely or annul something that was scheduled. We had to scrub our vacation plans. Clean with hard rubbing. She scrubbed his back. Of domestic animals, not selectively bred. The act of cleaning a surface by rubbing it with a brush and soap and water. The activity of cleaning a house thoroughly at the end of winter. The act of making an organism barren or infertile, unable to reproduce. The procedure of making some object free of live bacteria or other microorganisms, usually by heat or chemical means. The act of making an organism barren or infertile, unable to reproduce. The procedure of making some object free of live bacteria or other microorganisms, usually by heat or chemical means. Ignoring distinctions. Sweeping generalizations. Taking in or moving over, or as if over, a wide area, often used in combination. A sweeping glance. The act of cleaning with a broom. The act of washing yourself, or another person. Immersing the body in water or sunshine. The act of washing yourself, or another person. The act of washing dishes.
Become our student and get access to effective and free educational materials. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to become a part of our growing YouTube community and to learn English effectively.